County in northeastern Kentucky, Adams County in southwestern Ohio, western Scioto County in southwestern Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of West Union.
Oh, it's on the weather radio, too. If I can get to it in time. These other Crocs in here are trash because they're too big for me.
Okay.
I just wanted my lined ones back. I forgot because they're tie-dyed. But I want to get to my weather radio before it gets the alert. My other one in here? Move.
Miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
Alright, we got a severe thunderstorm warning. Yep, perfect.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Boyd County in northeastern Kentucky, eastern Lawrence County in northeastern Kentucky, southeastern Lawrence County in southeastern Ohio, Cabell County in central West Virginia, Lincoln County in central West Virginia, Wayne County in western West Virginia, west central Boone County in central West Virginia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Yatesville Lake State Park, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Huntington, Louisa, Wayne, Hanlon, Chesapeake, Proctorville, Beech Fork State Park, Yatesville Lake State Park, Barboursville, Milton, Fort Gate, Ranger, Ona, Bernal, Spurlockville, Harts, Jill, Durbin, East Lynn Lake, and Centerville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 5 and 27. Route 119 between mile markers 48 and 49. This is a special weather statement.
Yeah, I don't really care about the special weather statement. Alright, it is 7:08 p.m. Sunday, July 2nd, 2023. Alright, so we just got a severe thunderstorm warning, as you know. So it was issued like 2 minutes ago. It's been thundering nonstop for the last 2 hours. That's what it looks like outside. I can't necessarily get over there because all this stuff in the way and I have nowhere to put it. This air conditioner's hooked up, but it is turned off because of the weather. You can probably look out this window. The weather is coming from Scioto County, so it's coming from that direction. It actually looks worse than the phone is letting it look. So yeah, I'm just hanging out on my bed because there's like nothing else to do. I'm little, and I have a queen size bed that was given to me, so I love it, don't get me wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Anyway, peace, bye.